Hello, welcome to Computer Education for All. Today's topic, Summary of Computer Systems. Computer systems are an integral part of modern life, transforming work, communication, learning, and entertainment. They consist of intricate hardware and software components that collaborate to process information and accomplish various tasks. Abacus, the abacus, invented by the Chinese 4,000 years ago, was a wooden frame with metal rods and beads used for simple arithmetic calculations. Napier's bone. John Napier developed Napier's bones, which used 9 strips marked with numerals for multiplication and division, introducing the decimal point system. Pascaline, Blaise Pascal's 1642 invention, the Pascaline, was first mechanical calculator, consisting of gears and wheels. Stepped reckoner or Leibniz wheel. Wilhelm Leibniz improved Pascal's device in 1673, creating the digital mechanical known as the stepped reckoner using grooved wheels. Difference engine. Charles Babbage's early 1820s invention, the difference engine, was a steam-powered calculating machine for basic computations. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage's analytical engine in 1830 was a mechanical computer that used punch cards, capable of solving complex mathematical problems and storing data. Tabulating machine. Hermann Hollerith's 1890 invention, the tabulating machine, based on punch cards, computed statistics and recorded data, leading to the creation of IBM in 1924. Differential Analyzer in 1930. Vannevar Bush introduced the first electrical computer, the Differential Analyzer, using vacuum tubes for calculations at a rate of 25 per minute. Mark I. Howard Eichen's Mark II, a digital computer invented in 1944, could add 8-digit numbers and print results using punched cards. It was 50 feet long and weighed 5 tons. First-generation computers. 1956. First-generation computers used vacuum tubes, were slow, expensive, and huge, relied on punched cards, and had limited memory. Second-generation computers. 1963. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes in second-generation computers, increasing speed and reliability and reducing size and cost. Third-generation computers. 1971. Third-generation computers used integrated circuits, ICs, instead of transistors, consuming less power and introducing keyboard and monitor interfaces. Fourth-generation computers. 1971 present. Fourth-generation computers introduced microprocessors, becoming faster and smaller, and supporting advanced input/output devices, modern programming languages, and multimedia software. Fifth-generation computers. Fifth-generation computers aim to understand natural languages and possess thinking capabilities, relying on artificial intelligence, AI, and enabling user commands in any language. System. A system is a collection of interconnected components working together to achieve specific purposes found in various aspects of life. Natural systems exist in nature, are diverse and self-regulate. Examples of natural systems: ecosystems, weather systems, geological systems, hydrological systems, and the solar system. Artificial systems, human-made systems designed to solve problems. Examples of artificial systems: communication systems, information systems, transportation systems, energy systems, manufacturing systems, and healthcare systems. Input devices used to provide data to the computer, including keyboards, mice, microphones, scanners, barcode readers, digital cameras, and touch screens. System unit, the central part of a computer, including the motherboard, microprocessor, CPU, and registers. Memory types. Computer memory includes ROM, RAM, and cache memory, each with specific functions and retention properties. Output devices display text, graphics, and images, including monitors, printers, plotters, and speakers. Data transmission. Data moves between components through buses, following an instruction cycle that fetches, decodes, executes, and stores data. Von Neumann Architecture explains how computer hardware and software work together, comprising a CPU registers, AU, control unit, and buses. Memory units. Memory is measured in bytes, with various units like kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, adabytes, and exabytes. Memory built up. Memory can be chip, magnetic, or optical, and memory retention power categorizes it as volatile or non-volatile. Chip memory. Fast memory used in various devices like RAM cache and SDES. Magnetic memory uses magnetized mediums like hard disks and magnetic tapes to store data. Optical memory stores data as bits and lands on optical disks like CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. Volatile memory requires power to retain data. Examples include RAM cache and registers. Non-volatile memory retains data even without power, including ROM flash memory and storage devices like hard disks and optical disks. Computer software. Computer software is a collection of programs, data, and instructions enabling computers to perform tasks. System software manages and controls hardware, acting as an intermediary between users and hardware. Includes operating systems, device drivers, utilities, compilers, assemblers, linkers, loaders, and firmware. Application software designed for specific user tasks such as productivity, business, entertainment, and education. Examples include word processors, spreadsheet software, games, and educational programs. Programming languages. Programming languages instruct computers to perform tasks. Low-level languages, machine and assembly, are hardware-oriented, while high-level languages, C++, Java, are user-friendly. High-level languages can be procedural, structured, or object-oriented. Data communication involves exchanging data between devices or systems via networks. Key components include sender, message, medium, protocol, and receiver. Modes of network communication. Modes include simplex, one-way, half-duplex, both ways, not simultaneously, and full duplex, both ways simultaneously. Transmission can be asynchronous, variable timing, or synchronous, fixed timing. Communication devices. Common devices include hubs, switches, routers, and gateways. Each serves specific roles in network communication. Network architecture includes LANs, local, WANS wide, MANS metropolitan, and VPANs, virtual private, defines the physical layout and connectivity of a network. Network topologies. Topologies dictate how nodes are connected. Options include bus, star, ring, and mesh. Each has unique features and limitations. Data communication standards. Standards like OSI establish rules for data transmission, ensuring compatibility and reliability in networks and systems. OSI model. The OSI model, developed by ISO, consists of 7 layers that perform specific tasks in data communication, including application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical layers. Data communication protocols. Various communication protocols, such as TCP/IP, HTTP, FTP, and SMTP, define how data is transmitted and received over network. Internet. The Internet is a global network of interconnected computer networks that has evolved from ARPANET to the modern era, facilitating communication, information exchange, and connectivity worldwide. Working of the Internet. The Internet operates through a decentralized architecture using packet switching technology, protocols like TCP/IP/DNS for domain translation, and security measures to transmit and protect data. Advantages of the Internet. The Internet offers global connectivity, vast information resources, real-time communication, e-commerce, education, business opportunities, entertainment, and innovation. Disadvantages of the Internet: concerns related to privacy, cybersecurity risks, information overload, digital addiction, the digital divide, online harassment, and health impacts are associated with the Internet. Common applications of the Internet: the Internet is used for communication, information retrieval, e-commerce, social media, entertainment, education, business, research, and innovation. For more interesting tutorials, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks.